Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's trick is called primary colors. I've got on the table here a big image of a bunch of different colored boxes. And inside every box is a 3-digit number. Now, every single 3-digit number is different. None of the numbers are repeated. Every single number is unique. And if somebody was here and really wanted to take the time, they would see that that's the case. You'll just have to take my word for it. And those numbers will be important later on. There are 10 different colors here, and those colors are represented on these 10 cards here. We've got purple, orange, black, yellow, blue, white, green, pink, red, and brown. Okay, so before we get started, I'm going to divide up these 10 colors between the spectator and I, and we're going to mix them up. So I'll mix up my pile here. They'll mix up their pile, however they want. And then just to make it really random, we'll swap. So I will take these 5 colors, they will take those. I can swap these here, mix them up however I want to. They can swap these 5, just give them a cut if they want. Till they're happy, they will drop their 5 colors on top of mine. We've got a very randomized set of 10 colors here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to move around this image from color to color, from box to box, based on the order that these cards were shuffled in, okay? So what we'll do, flip over the first color, it's orange. What I want you to do is to focus on any of the orange squares. Find an orange square on this image. You can put your finger on the screen if you want, or just use your eyes. Pick any orange square, okay? Now it's a little bit tough to tell the difference between orange and brown on this image, so try to really make sure you're focused on orange and not brown, okay? Next color is white. So what I want you to do is to move to the closest white spot, the closest white box from wherever you are, okay? Now if there's 2 that are kind of the same distance away, just pick whichever one you think is the closest, okay? So move from your orange square to the closest white square. Next up is yellow. Move to the closest yellow square. Now, just to make sure it's random and to prove that it's random, I would ask the spectator, do you want to do the next 2 colors in order, or do you want to reverse them? Let's say they want to reverse them. So I'll take the next 2 colors and just swap them, okay? So next is brown. So move to the closest brown square. Again, careful, the brown kind of looks like the orange. Next up is pink. Move to the closest pink square. Don't focus on the numbers just yet, just focus on the colors. From pink, move to the closest black square. Next up is purple. Move to the closest purple square. We're getting close to the end here. Next up is blue. Move to the closest blue square. Again, if there are 2 that are kind of the same distance away, just pick which one you think is the closest. Green, move to the closest green square. Okay, and then finally, red, move to the closest red square. Okay, you should now be on a red square, one of the several red squares on this image. Now you've moved all over this page, just dependent on how you shuffled the colors and what order we did the colors in. I don't know anything about where you are other than that you finished on a red square. Again, you shuffled these colors, moved all over. I want you to focus now on the number that is in your box. For the first time, focus on the 3-digit number that is in your final box. I want you to send it to me mentally, what number you're thinking of. Now, I wrote something down earlier before we started, not knowing how you would shuffle these colors, not knowing how you would move around this page. But I wrote down the number 134. Hopefully the very number that you are thinking of. So that is the trick, guys. It's called primary colors. This is a really fun trick. You can do this trick once you have this image. You don't have to do numbers. You could put playing cards in there, or different shapes, or different different words if you wanted to. Lots of fun things you can do with this idea. So hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please come on back soon for more magic, and I will see you next time.